Welcome to Cadence Design Systems Fidelity Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate a technique in just a couple of minutes. In this video, we're going to discuss the new Glyph function used to scale the spacing of each point on a point cloud source. I have in front of you two things. On the left side, I have one instance of Fidelity Pointwise, where you can see that I have a very simple point cloud source. This source contains 10 points, and the spacing on each one of these points is different. In particular, that point has a spacing of 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, all the way to 1.0. On the right side, I have a Glyph script that is using the new function that we have added to actually scale the spacing of your point cloud source. In particular, that function is called scale spacing. As you can see, that function is going to be applied or used in a source object, and is going to take one argument, which is, of course, the scaling factor, which in this case is set to 2.0. In this script, you can also see other things up here and down here as well. We're only using that code to basically print out the data before the scaling and after the scaling. So going back to Fidelity Pointwise, let's go ahead and execute this particular script that is called scale spacing. Of course, you can run this via the GUI in Fidelity Pointwise, or also you can run it in batch mode. I'm going to go ahead and run it, and as you can see, the script is going to print out your data before scaling, and then of course after scaling. For each one of the source points that you have in there is going to print out the XYZ location of that point and also its spacing. As you can see, initially the spacing of each point, as I mentioned, is going to be 0.1, 0.2, all the way to 1. And after a scaling using a factor of 2, the spacing of each point is going to be double, from 0.2 all the way up to 2.0. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop us a line down below or connect with us on LinkedIn, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.